Week 1 of the HostPlus Cup Finals, and Piggabeen the venue for the clash between the Tweed Seagulls and the Brisbane Tigers. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. A good start for Tweed. Lyndon McGrady crossing in just the 10th minute. BJ Ofunga-Tamunga crossed for the Tigers with 4 minutes left in the first half. At the break, Tweed were in front of the Tigers, 8 points to 6. Tensions were high in this knockout final as Bernard Gregorius crossed for the Tigers early in the second half. Will Brimson with this try in the 48th minute for Tweed. Jermaine Ozako scored for Tweed. This game was going down to the wire. Jaden Nikarima crossing for the Tigers in the 62nd minute. Then Tweed scored again just 3 minutes later. Scott Galliano with this 4-pointer. Then in the 71st minute, Will Brimson with his second try of the game, a match winner for the Seagulls. Tweed live to fight another day. For the Tigers, their season is over. The Seagulls winning 24 points to 18. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.